Right now, we have to cross the restricted area. Um, let's do something edgy. What is up, Adrenaline Squad? And we are here at Hebbal Lake, and we're gonna be bird watching. I know vlogs aren't coming like regularly because I'm busy, but enjoy this. It's good. We are going bird watching, and we are like hunting for rare species of birds. And now, like few of the things we need is a Kia bird. Uh, Spotted. What kind of birds come there?
uh, Many types of birds like cormorant,
Mhm.
then uh, Indian spot-billed duck, then a grey heron,
Grey heron.
uh, then egrets,
Mhm.
and many other. Maybe while going
Yeah.
through,
Migratory birds.
some are migratory,
Yeah.
some are residential.
Yeah. Cool. But we need to find a Kia bird.
That can be used by birds because birds nest at different levels and vegetation in an island based on body size. Larger birds usually nest at the top because when they take off, they can't get airborne very quickly. They dip and again they fly off. So the dipping height is what again decided by the body size. So the smaller birds like pond herons, cat-like rays, they nest at the lower level. Pelicans, darters, and large cormorants usually nest at a higher level. So you need to have a structured vegetation, and that's why there are different species that can withstand water stagnation. That you have to keep in mind when you plant. Otherwise, what they do that they plant subabul and even the champaka, the Singapore cherry, which are not really liked by birds.
That's an egret going. Little egret. Right now, we have to cross the restricted area. Let's do something edgy. It's restricted. You can't let they're gonna shoot on sight. But content matters. Okay. Cool. Oh, we're through. That's the sign. Bye bye. That's how we're gonna raid Area 51. Not me though, but my friend. Come on. Footprints. I guess so. I'm changing on to this camera. It's one of my old cameras. Does not shoot well, but it's decent. Yeah, we're looking for white kingfisher. Yeah. Yeah, tent like Bear Grylls. So now we're gonna have breakfast and go back. Oh look, it's water. Oh god, not sheep. Okay, I'll see you later. As you can see, I'm back from the trek, the nature bird watching trek, and it's a really good place. Every first Saturday at Hebbal, Bengaluru, you must check it out. And yeah, it's like early in the morning. You can go there, watch birds, and it's a really nice place. You should check it out. Yeah, coming to some updates to the channel. That like some people were asking me whether I can make videos in other languages as well. The fact is, I mean, I've come to this decision that once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna start making videos in Hindi and maybe in Kannada as well. So subscribe, goddammit, subscribe. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Okay, and there were a lot of photos which I took. More than videos, I took photos. And I mean, some were like helped by one of our assistants called Umer Shariff. His Instagram link is in the description below, so please check it out. And here are some awesome images coming in 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations.